This next franchise that just launched into our inventory is so unique. It is such a great concept. So this is a great concept for somebody who is comfortable in an emerging brand. This is an emerging brand. They have a lot of experience in their corporate location, and they are backed by a great parent company, but they're emerging. It's also for somebody who wants a service-based business to work with business to business, business to consumer, be very unique. It's just a niche business who works with a very affluent clientele, is comfortable in sales or managing a sales manager and being the first in their industry, the first national company. This is needed. It's unique. It's niche. Veterans, people who like who fly airplanes and pilots, and this is a great concept. So I really love this one. It is wide open territory. So call me if that sounds of interest to you.